Greetings, everyone. I am Brother Lee from Vietnam, and I am part of MDA called Marist District of Asia. The presence of Marist Brothers in Vietnam has been around 17 years, and at the moment we have four communities. One is for student brothers who are studying in universities, one for formation, another one is for the migrant people coming back from Cambodia, and another one is for the ethnic minority where I am now. It's called Nam Nung community, and it is newly born. And for the work of solidarity in Vietnam has been working and developing slowly, and we are still in the process of that. And we are on the fourth day of the assembly of the Marist Solidarity International Network, which is taking place in the General House in Rome this week. What a significant opportunity for me to have been encountered with many people of Samanya Marist across the globe to discussing and planning strategically on 5 different focal areas of solidarity: child rights, ecology, NGOs and foundations, education in and for solidarity, and social works. This is also a chance for us to get in touch to the reality where we are on how we have been working on these 5 areas. One of the main key points throughout the discussion and planning of the assembly that I come to take note on is about awareness. This is important for me personally because as soon as we raise our awareness and dedicate ourselves to the work of solidarity, we will be able to move forward with what we are into. Besides, we are invited again to look beyond with the eyes of Marcelin Chamanya by Brother Ernesto, the Superior General, in his opening address to the Assembly. We have to look beyond of where we are and what we are doing in reaching out to the most needy, especially children and young people. By participating in and through this assembly, I hope that we will be able to develop, dedicate, and engage ourselves more in the work of solidarity throughout the world in more practical and helpful ways. Thank you very much and best regards.